The need for risk reduction in the agriculture sector has been a major concern for the OECS Commission. Due to the effects of geopolitics and climate change on the region's food security, farmers are now given the option of insuring their assets as a form of risk mitigation. The initiative seeks to quicken recovery post-disaster or market crashes, which would normally leave farmers in long-term debt.
I want to stress that insurance can only be complementary to these risk mitigation measures, and we shouldn't see insurance as the solution to all our problems. But ultimately, this insurance topic is very important because when you look at developed countries, and the presenters who came before, particularly the colleague from Spain, highlighted that insurance is a key risk financing tool for mitigating risks, and we see how in developed countries it has been used.
Mr. Glenn says many farmers view insurance as a non-profit investment. He encourages individuals to invest in insurance for financial leverage in the event of disaster and to commit to paying the premiums given by the company.
There's a link between insurance and financing and overall economic development. If you have insurance schemes in place, the banks will probably easier recognize as collateral for loans and will link their loans to the insurance schemes, and thereby allowing farmers to continue their operations and invest more heavily. I think that's one of the challenges we have in the sector here in the region. We don't have enough investment in agriculture and fisheries.
A member of the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, CRIF, spoke on the benefits of the regional parametric insurance policy. The initiative came after the passing of Hurricane Ivan. She encourages OECS member states to capitalize on the initiative to access quick liquidity post-disaster.
Parametric insurance isn't designed to cover all the losses on the ground, but it's really important to begin recovery efforts, right? So this led to the birth of CRIF, the world's first multi-country, multi-peril risk pool providing parametric insurance. It was established in 2007, and initially it was established only to limit the financial impact of hurricanes, tropical cyclones, and earthquakes.
Ms. Emmanuel highlighted the difference between CRIF and regular insurance companies. As a financial institution, the unit continues to create programs which meets the growing demand of member states. She is thankful to development partners for their contribution to CRIF thus far.
We have been providing, I believe, since about 2012 or so, some amount of premium support. In the latter years, we have been receiving support from our development partners for members. And also what CRIF is focused a little bit on is providing technical assistance, looking at how we can build resilience of communities, people in the region through a range of mechanisms.
The liquidity grant from CRIF can be accessed a mere 14 days after a disaster has struck any member state. The OECS Commission will continue creating initiatives to support critical sectors of the member states. The OECS Agri-Insurance Seminar was held on Wednesday, September 4th, 2024. For the DBS News World, Manasseh Stanislaus reporting.